All right, we got the truck in my dad's shop today. We're gonna be putting some more spacers in the front to lift the front a little bit more. I'll show you those over here. Got these right here. He says that these will lift it more. They lift it about double this. So I think it'll sit pretty good. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna do an injection service on it. And then once we do these, we're gonna pull it over to the alignment, put an alignment on it, and yeah. All right, this is what we're working with the wheel off. As y'all can see, got them Bilstein struts. Take bolts off up there, take a few things loose, pry it down, and hopefully we can slide the spacer in there.
Man, this shit getting deeper than the devil's lake. In the newest vet, I stumped the pedal to the metal brake. Nigga chain full of BS1s, but the metal fake. I'm finna drink a whole pint, that's how I meditate. Throw a party on the hot block, we call that celebrate.
All right, now we have the spacer in, everything's back tight. Now time to put the wheels and tires back on, see how it sits, and then put it over there on the alignment rack. We got the truck backed out, got the spacers in. We're about to do the injection service on it, and then do the alignment. Can't really tell right now. It didn't lift it much, but it lifted it more than I thought. So we'll get some clips later of it. But getting the stuff ready, and then do the injection service on it, get the engine all cleaned. As y'all can see, we got the truck on the alignment rack. Getting the alignment. And just like that, she's all aligned. Got the spacers, did the injection service, everything like that. Lifted the front just a little bit. If you can tell, the front is just a smidge higher than the rear. I might put a rear spacer in it to level the truck. But it looks pretty good to me, but as you can see, a little bit higher, so you can see in here a lot more. But yeah, that's the truck. Hit y'all with an edit, and yeah.